Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to avoid toll roads in Google Maps. Google Map Options opens in a new window. First, open Google Maps and set your location. Where are you going from and where are you going? After that, let's see how we can avoid toll roads in it. First, you will see one thing: if you are going on a road where there are no tolls, then you do not need to select it. You can also use it for me. Let's see how we can avoid tolls. For this, you will see 3 dots below. Click on it. After clicking, a small format will open in front of you. Once the format opens in front of you, you will see many options. All of these have different features. Let's get to work. You have to click on the topmost button called Options. After clicking on the option, a new format will start opening in front of you. Once the new format opens in front of you, you will see 3 options here. The first is Avoid Tolls, the second is Avoid Motorways, and the third is Avoid Ferries. We need the option above, so we turn it on. After turning it on, let's see if it has been updated or not. For this, you have to close it. After closing it, now you can quickly check it. How your route is now free from tolls. This was the way to avoid toll roads in Google Maps.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.